हाँ, आपका क्या नाम है?
मेरा नाम नितिन शर्मा है।
आप लोगों की एग्जैक्ट डिमांड क्या है?
देखिए, हम लोगों की एक सिंपल सी डिमांड है कि एक बहुत ही अच्छा सीरियल इमेजिन टीवी पर आता था, चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य। हर एज ग्रुप के साथ इसका एक अच्छा कनेक्शन हो गया था। इट यूज्ड टू टेल अस अबाउट आवर ग्लोरियस हिस्ट्री, और हम चाहते हैं कि ये चैनल फिर से शुरू हो। अनफॉर्चुनेटली इमेजिन टीवी गॉट क्लोज डाउन इन अप्रैल, और अभी तक किसी और चैनल ने इसको नहीं अपनाया है। ओनली सोनी टीवी हैज़ कम फॉरवर्ड एंड सोनी टीवी वांट एन एनओसी। नाउ
सो एनओसी में प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रही है?
एनओसी में प्रॉब्लम ये आ रही है कि एनओसी इज टू बी गिवन बाय टर्नर्स हु आर द ओनर्स।
सो व्हाट टर्नर्स आर सेइंग?
Turners are not saying anything, they are just not giving the NOC. So
Have they told you the exact reason?
no, they haven't given us any reason. They are not ready to talk to us, in fact. And we have yeah, they are not supportive. We have
The problem is how this is all started. When Turner Broadcasting had actually cut down one show of Chandragupta Maurya, from that time onwards the TRPs started falling. Turner hasn't realized it. They are not committing, but that is a fact, and that we have to realize. It's a fact.
So now Sony channel is agree.
Sony is agreed to it. Even Z has agreed to it. Even Life OK has agreed to it.
So the
All
real
channels
hurdle
have
is NOC.
agreed to it.
the issue is
But
NOC now.
NOC has not been issued from Turner Broadcasting.
I'd like to add one point. This is actually it's a very spirited serial, I think, and the most important thing is the youth of today are interested to see such serials which shows our values and which actually shows the teachings of Chanakya, which is even relevant today, which shows a huge governance, inclusive governance. I think the Chanakya's wordings were Sarvajana Hitaya, Sarvajana Sukhaya, which is very important in today's government when it is thinking about inclusive growth. I think we should be all learning about such policies which Chandragupta's teacher Chanakya had told so many years back in 320 BC. And we have forgotten our own culture, and I think it's time that we really want to see such serials which teach values to our youths who are actually they are inspired by these things. This Facebook shows that most of the Facebook members are actually youths, and they are the ones who are wanting it back, and they don't want to see serials like Saas Bahu and all kind of things.
She's right. She's absolutely right.
And even one more thing, very small children, even children as young as 5 years, now they used to read about superheroes or used to see about superheroes like Superman, Spider-Man and all these. But suddenly with this serial, they found कि हमारे अपने हिस्ट्री में इतने सारे सुपरमैन और स्पाइडरमैन छुपे हुए हैं, and in fact they are the real life heroes, and they have inspired even small children, even school going children are inspired by it.
Recitation डाल रहे लोग.
So why such good shows should suffer, just because just because an American channel is not giving NOC.
And
So,
it's not that they're showing 1 minute. And it's not that they're trying to show it on any other channel. What is this? This is like, stopping is, I shouldn't use this word, but it's a dog in the manger. Which is like you don't want others to take this food, but you don't want to use it yourself. So
Actually,
that's the
to
problem.
tell you the fact, all the channels have said yes to it. But Sony is in a process of finalizing the deal with the production houses, namely Sagar Arts, 72 Degrees North, and both the production houses are in touch with Sony channel. But the thing is, like, Turner Broadcasting is not issuing no non-objectionable certificate from.
So your fight is against Turner Broadcasting.
Yeah, exactly.
Turner Broadcasting.
We want that Turner Group should go back from India, because they are also using some channels also like Nick, Pogo and all, CNN, HBO. So we want that if they want to show just only English channels in our Indian culture, then we don't want it. We want like Chandragupta Maurya show. So our demand is that either Turner Group should go back to from India, or either they give us NOC for our show.
Turner should go back from India.
Yeah.
Actually, ours is a group which is totally independent. It is a viewers group, and within 2 weeks we had more than 1 lakh members. And after 3 months also, not a single member has left, and we are still 1 lakh strong, which is astonishing fact. Why? Because there was something inherent in the serial, which had touched the core of the hearts of all these viewers, and millions of viewers are waiting, and they are looking towards us, because we do not belong to the production house, neither we belong to any entertainment channel. We are independent viewers, and ours is a viewers group, and that viewers group is demanding that Turner should give the NOC promptly, and this serial should be restarted as soon as possible.
So you people are protesting here, it's your independent protest. Nobody has told you.
Absolutely.
You haven't been told by the Sagar Arts.
No,
nothing.
nothing to do with Sagar Arts.
We are not linked with any company of any sort.
You people are the fan of Chandragupta Maurya serial.
We are an independent forum. Independent forum. There is no company sponsoring us. There is nobody is sponsoring us.
You can see this.
You can see this.
This is the name of our group.
Save
All of them